Hello! I'm so excited to be here today with you to share 3 strategies to skyrocket your confidence. If you have been thinking about possibly trying something new or wanting to grow your business or offering something new to your clients and you feel like you have that hesitancy, that pulling back, that and not really going for it. If you have had a goal or a vision or a dream that you've been waiting to really dive in and do, I'm going to share 3 strategies with you today to help you skyrocket your confidence so that you will take that important, amazing, beautiful leap forward in your business. So number 1 is that I want you to get very clear on what you want, what your vision is. And I want you to, yes, you may have a dream or an idea, but I want you to get clear on why that's important to you. What is that going to do for your life? How is that going to impact your clients? How is that going to change the world? How is that going to spread more love in the world? Get super crazy crystal clear on it, okay? Just ignoring all of the doubts and the fears, just getting super crystal clear on that. All right, then we move on to step 2, which is about preparing. Now, the number 1 reason I see that my clients or other entrepreneurs and coaches and consultants aren't really taking those big leaps forward is they know subconsciously that not everything is ready for it. So take a look at what is going on in your business. For that big leap forward that you want to take, what feels like it's not quite in alignment? What feels in chaos? What feels too messy? Are your digital files messy? Are you constantly missing out on replying to emails? Do you not have enough time to do anything? Do you not have systems and processes to support what you want to do? Identify what it is for you, and it may be multiple things, and get the tools, get the coaching, get what you need to actually move the needle forward and make those changes in your business so you're ready to take that big leap forward. The third and final one is to find a community, find a coach and a community who are going to support you, who are going to champion you, who can see your vision, believe it for you and with you, and hold you accountable to making the changes necessary to prepare to take that big dive forward confidently in your business, and knowing that it's going to be successful because you have made the changes and prepared in a way that was strategic, that brought in the business strategy and productivity strategy and systems and time management that are customized to exactly who you are. Now, if any of that speaks to you and you're like, gosh, I really do need to create some systems in my business, I invite you to download my free gift from my website, 33 Systems Every Small Business Must Have to Be Successful. You can go to my website, fullspectrumproductivity.com, to download that today. And if you are in a place where you're ready to take those big leaps forward in your business and you're looking for not only how to save 2 hours a day in your business, but also get high-level business coaching and strategy, I'm your woman. Please reach out to me, send me a private message, and I'm happy to hear what your challenges are, where your goals are, and brainstorm with you what are some solutions that are going to help you bridge that gap so you can leap over the confidence divide knowing that you're going to be highly successful. I love you. Your mission in the world is important. Keep working at it, and I'll talk to you soon. Bye.